Assalamu alaikum. Hi, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to cover another concept in matrices, and in the last video we covered addition, subtraction and order of a matrix. In this video we are going to cover multiplication of a matrix. There are two type of multiplication in matrix. The number one is scalar multiplication, and the second one is matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication. First we do the scalar multiplication, then we will move towards matrix multiplication. Okay, in scalar multiplication, look, a matrix is given to you like x p q r s. Okay, and I'm saying okay, you have to multiply this matrix with 3x. Okay, so 3 here. Write down the matrix p r q s. Okay, this 3 with multiply with each of the matrix variable or a number. So 3p times 3 times p is 3p, 3 times q is 3q, 3 times r is 3r, 3 times s is 3s. So this sort of multiplication is considered as a scalar matrix. ठीक है, अगर मैं एक और एग्जांपल दूं आपको इसके अंदर, and I'm saying कि you have to write or solve for 3. Okay, so 3 4 times 5. Okay, so 3 times 4 is 12 and 3 times 5 is 15. So the answer for this scalar matrix is, so multiplication is basically 12 and 15. Look into another example. 3 times 2, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6. This is the answer for part number A. Now for part number B, 4102, 7 times 4 is 28, 7 times 0 is 0, 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14. The answer for part B. Okay, basically this is very simple. Now in next, Okay, first you have to write times the 3 with AB. Now you have first after times, then you have to plus with B. Okay, whenever 3a, 7b or any sort of number is given to you with a matrix, it means that number is times with that certain matrix. First you have to multiply that matrix and then you have to do the operation that are given to you. Okay, so remember this tip. Okay, so I'm doing directly. 12 plus 4 is 16, 3 plus 1 is 4, 9 plus 0 is 9, and 6 plus 7 is 13. This is the answer for part number A. Now part number B, 2, I'm doing here directly 2 times, okay, no, sorry, 4, 3, 1, 2, 8, 6, 2, 4, plus with B, 4, 0, 1, 7, do it directly, 8 plus 4 is 12, 2 plus 1 is, sorry, 2 plus 1 is 3, 6 plus 0 is 6, 4 plus 7 is 11. So look at the answer. Now the last example. Okay, in this just you have to times 3 with, sorry, not a, these are x, 3x, x minus e, and 2x, b and c. Okay, 3x means 3 times 4 and minus 2, it will give you 3 4 the 12 and minus 3 to the 6. Okay, so minus 6 check. Now look here, b, 2b, and with 2 there is minus sign. So when you have to multiply 2 with b, you have to forget basically this minus sign. आपको minus sign भूल जाना है. Minus sign कुछ भी नहीं है. Minus sign को भी suppose ही नहीं करना, because the operation is negative. But before you have to do the subtraction, you have to multiply b matrix with 2. So it means the 2 is without the sign. ठीक है, इस तरीके से. Okay, so x की वैल्यू के पास क्या आ गई, 4 minus 2 minus 2 and 4. इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर दें, 2 minus minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 is equals to 4 minus minus plus 2 minus 2 and minus 4 equals to minus 6. Okay, so the answer for this matrix is 6 and minus 6. Now for C, अच्छा, इसको भी मैं 3 कर दूं ताकि डायरेक्टली सॉल्व हो जाए हमारे पास। ओके, तो 3 आपके पास x की वैल्यू दे दी गई है, दैट इज 4 and -6 in part number this plus b 3b। ओके, तो 3b की वैल्यू आप यहाँ फाइंड कर लें। -3 and 6। ओके, -3 and 6। c की वैल्यू आप फाइंड कर लें। c is 1 and 6। 3 and 3 6 is 18, -3 and 18। फर्स्ट आप इन दोनों को सॉल्व कर लें। 4 प्लस -3 -6 प्लस 6। ओके, ये करने के बाद आपको जस्ट इनको सॉल्व करना है। प्लस माइनस माइनस, 4 -3, ये तो आपस में कट जाएगा, एक प्लस का माइनस का 0, -3। ओके, सो 1 0 आपके पास यहाँ पे वैल्यू आ जाएगी, एंड -3 and 18। तो डायरेक्टली हो सकता है 1 -3 0 -18। तो यहाँ पर जो आपके पास आंसर आएगा वो आएगा -2 and -18। तो दिस इज द आंसर फॉर पार्ट नंबर सी। ओके, सो आज हमने देख लिया है कि हाउ वी कैन कवर द multiplication in a scalar matrix। okay, and here and also we have covered these some examples। okay, आज हम इसको यहीं पे स्टॉप करते हैं। नेक्स्ट वीडियो इंशाल्लाह वी विल cover the matrix multiplication। okay, so that topic is little bit difficult as compared to the this one, and बेसिकली इससे भी थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है। और जो हमने एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन भी किया था, आप कह सकते हैं कि somehow इट इज़ डिफिकल्ट बट नॉट दैट मच, के इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है। जस्ट थोड़ा सा शुरू में आपको थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगी, एंड देन आप उसको फिर इजीली कर लेंगे। ओके, सो इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो तो इसको आप लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। ओके, टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज़।